everyone. My name is Akshay Musare, and today's our topic name is non-access modifier in Java. So let's start our today's topic. In non-access modifier, first of all discuss upon the static modifier. In the static modifier contain of the static variable. So let's discuss about static variable. The static keyword is used to create a variables that will exist independently of any instance created for the class. Only one copy of the static variables exists regarding of the number of instances of the class. The static variables are also known as variables, local variable, cannot be declared as statics. Statics method. The static keyword is used to create methods that will extend independently of the instance of create for the class. The statics method do not use instance variable of any object. The object of the class they are defined in the static methods take all the data from the parameter and compute something from those parameters with no reference to variable. The class variables and methods can be accessed using the class name followed by a dot, the name of the variable or method. So let's discuss about the statics variable. So next discuss about the final modifier. Final variable. Final variable can be explicitly initialized only once. A reference variable declare final can never be referred to a different object. Whenever the data within the object can be changed, so the state of the object can be changed but not the reference. With variable, the final modifier often is used with the static to make the content class variable. So next is the final methods. Final methods can be overridden by any subclasses as mentioned by previously. The final modifier prevent a method from being modified in a subclasses. The main intention of making a method final would be of the content. The method should not be changed by any outsider. Third one is final classes. The main purpose of using a class using declare as a final create of the class being subclasses. If class mark a final, then no class can be inherited by any feature from the final class. The next one is a abstract modifier, abstract class. An abstract class can be never by any initiate if a class declared as an abstract, then the sole purpose is for the class to be extended. A class cannot be both abstracts and final. A class contain abstract methods, then the class should be declared abstracts, otherwise the compiler will be thrown. The next one is abstract method. An abstract method is a method declared without any implementation. The method body is provided by subclass. Abstract method can be never be a final or strict. Any class that extends abstract class must be implement all the abstract method of the superclass unless the subclass is also known as abstract class. If class contain one or more abstract method, they are class must be declared abstracts, and abstract class does not need to contain abstract method. The next one is the synchronized modifier. In synchronized, the synchronized keyword is used to indicate that a method can be accessed by only one thread to the time. The synchronized modifier can be applied with any of the 4 access level modifier. The instance modifier. The instance variable is a mark instance to indicate the JVM skip the particular variable when the serializing the object containing it. The modifier is include the statement create the variable pending of the class is type of the variable. The volatile modifier. The volatile modifier is used to the JVM know that a thread accessing the variable must always merge its own private copy of the variable with master of the memory. The next one is the so in this video I can discuss about the all non-access modifier like static, final, abstracts, abstract methods, final methods, Final methods volatile in this type of and thank you so much. Our today's video topic is end.